our laundry room. This is where our laundry is done with love, but lots of other things are done here as well. And where we keep lots of things that we need for our active family. As you see, we have our 2 girls, so we keep all of our laundry supplies back here. I keep diapers all the way back there stored in the back. And sometimes we go through a little bit of trouble to get what we need. We have to go through our back here to our extra fridge to get some of the extra food that we stack up on. And basically we're looking for some storage solutions. We're looking for ways to make our life more organized, and hopefully we can incorporate a new washer dryer system, something with maybe a countertop that would help us fold clothes and have some storage, cabinets, and things that will help us put things away a little bit more effectively. So we need your help, IKEA. Right, Sadie? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.